Hello and welcome. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to catch the amazing trades in gold by using the simple RSI indicator in which we will see the divergence. Now, first of all, we have to see that what is the divergence. The simple definition or meaning of the divergence is the situation in which two things become different. Two things become different, it means the price is telling one thing and the indicator, which is RSI, is hinting us or indicating the divergence. It means different thing. It is showing us that you have to move against your candles, what they are telling you. Now you can see here the price is in the ranging position. Now you can see here the price is trading in a ranging, but here in the RSI indicator, now you can see clearly it is showing us the divergence, which is the sell divergence. It means it is telling us that we have to think about the sell trade, but this is not the best time to start from here the selling. Now here we have to check out what is the current time of this range. Now this is 12 or 1 AM. It means the NY session has ended. Now we will wait for some hours to come the good session. Now this is the time 12:03 AM. It's early, it's a late night. Now you can see here, now at this level, at this swing point, now you can see here it's 8:15. it means it's morning time. Now we can check here that this RSI divergence has given a swing point, swing high point, and now it is going to downside. Now you can see or check here a moving average line. It's also helpful in this indicator. Now we have to wait for some candles to be closed. Now you can see here it's 10 AM at the morning time. Now you can see here clearly we can now plan a sell trade from here. Here we have to check some candles which will show you the upper rejection wicks. Now you can see here clearly the wicks are decreasing the prices to the downside. Now you can see here clearly this one, and after that this one. Now the selling candles are being generated. Now here you can see a bullish candle has been created, but it is closed inside this big red candle. Now we can plan here the sell trade. From here we will plan our sell trade, and our TP must be our first order block level, which is here. Now this is the right position of the order block level, or just here, but we have to take little profit. If we place the TP on this level, then we have to wait for so many other minutes, 15, 15, 15, 15. Now I am calculating that this is the half an hour and another half an hour, it means 1 hour, and this is second 1 hour. It means we have to wait for 2 hours more to catch this whole trade. At this stage, if we greed more to take the much profit, the prices can go up to fill this fair value gap. So it's a better practice or best practice to take the little profit, but perfect psychology will be built on the little profits. Now you can see here that clearly that if we place or take the trade on this you can say breaker block level or the starting of this order block level, or we can say breaker block or order flow. This is an order flow which is made up of two candles. This is order flow. We have to place our take profit on this level. After that we will wait for some hours, it means 2 hours. After that you are saying that market is creating range again. Now it's 13 PM, it means the London session has been started. If we place a buy trade because the selling has been ended, now it's a different topic which will be discussed in other videos. Now in this video I am just telling about the RSI divergences. Now you can see here the divergence, clear divergence of this. The prices are moving above and the indicator is also showing us the clear divergences. Now I am showing you some other examples of RSI divergences. Now you can see here the prices are moving up, but the RSI indicator is showing that we have to catch a sell trade. After this big green candle we could take this sell trade up to this order block level. So this is another sell trade with the help of RSI indicator. Now I am showing you here another divergence. Now you can see here the prices are moving up, but the RSI divergence is hinting us to catch the big move of sell trend. Now after seeing or viewing this divergence we could take this big sell trade. Now you can see an amazing selling move to the downside. It's an amazing. After that now you can see here some little divergence, but it's not perfect trade. Now let's see here another RSI divergence. Here I clearly tell you the exact and the perfect time for looking the divergence. It must be at least 15 minutes time. If you will consider the lower time frame, it will not be possible to catch a perfect trade. Now you can see here the clear divergence. It's a clear bullish divergence. It's if we place here the buy trade, we could catch a big bullish trade of about 368 pips. It's an amazing trade. After that this is another sell trade. Now you can see here the price is showing the uptrend, but the RSI is indicating us to catch or to take a sell trade. Now you can see here so many divergences are being made in this market. So I will suggest you to use the RSI indicator, which is an amazing and profitable indicator. By this indicator we can catch and get much profit. So I will make so many other videos on this indicator and volume indicators and market structure and behavior of the candles too. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.